Pretty much when we unboxed the 50-gallon water heater, it got dented. I think a forklift must have went into it and dented, so we had to go back to Home Depot, trade it out, and get another one. The bright side was I got the 50-gallon tall, so this time I got the 50-gallon short, which fits much better, so it's going to be less work when we try to put everything in. Other than that, it is what it is. You just gotta roll with the punches. That's what a maintenance account is for. You have money put to the side, so you'll be able to fix these type of things without going broke. That's about it. I'm out. So the water heater is put in. It took a little bit of time. Like I said earlier this morning, there was a dent in the first water heater I got due to someone hitting it with a forklift. But I was able to get the second one in. We were able to get the second one in. I just want to show you what it looks like, and we'll go from there. This is a 50-gallon Ream performance water heater. So I was able to cut that, add 2 valves, shutoff valves, one for cold, one for hot. And this is the water heater itself. Then a new gas line to go in there, and is much more powerful. This is 50 gallons. This is 40,000 BTUs. BTUs just simply means that it warms up faster, which you need when you have multifamily property, multiple units. You want to make sure that the water recycles faster, so people can take showers. And depending on how many people are on the property, depending on how many gallons you need. So 50 gallon covers up to 3 to 5 people. So now the next step is, this basement is pretty messy, so I'm about to do some spring cleaning, enjoy my Friday night and just start cleaning. And I guess that's my enjoyment. I like to do that. That's my type of thing. I'm out.